to pour up 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift this all together, and then I'm going to add my butter to it. Your hands or pastry cutter to just work this butter into your flour mix. All right, to my flour, I'm going to now add my milk, and I have a tablespoon of melted butter that I'm mixing into the milk. So now I'm going to brown my chicken. I have 3 garlic cloves here, and I'm only using 3 because they're kind of small. But if you have a pretty good sized one, 1 is fine. But if they're tiny like this, 2 to 3. So I'm going to let this cook down to about 6 cups of broth is what I want. So maybe half of this cup. In the same pan that I browned my chicken in, I'm now sauteing my vegetables. All right. We are now at the stage where my vegetables have sauteed. And I'm going to now add in the garlic that I chopped up. I'm going to let this go for about 1 minute. First, I'll add in a 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Then I'll be adding my chicken broth and my bay leaves. And I'm going to let it come to a simmer. This is the chicken broth I'm adding in here now. I'm doing about 3 cups. I'm going to put in 2 bay leaves. Right, as you can see, it has cooked down, and I'm now going to remove the bay leaves. Take these out. We have now reached the final stage. Go.